AliExpress is slowly killing your business. It might not happen overnight, but it's bound to happen because you can't build a real brand when you wait over 30 days for your products to arrive, have inconsistent quality, or more times than not, your products arrive at your customers' doorsteps damaged. And there's no reason to put yourself through those extra headaches when there's so many suppliers out there that can get you 3 to 7 day shipping, US-based warehouses, custom branded products, and so much more. But with so many options out there, beginners can get completely overwhelmed. And I get it, you don't know where to start. So in this video, I'm going to be breaking down the top 3 AliExpress alternatives to use in 2026, starting with number 1, and that would be Fulfillman. And this is Fulfillman. Now, I've been talking about Fulfillman on my channel for years. They're actually one of the first suppliers I ever switched to when I started making money with dropshipping. And these guys have been absolutely wonderful. I'll explain why in just a moment. But basically, Fulfillman is a 3PL service or third-party logistics. This just means they source all of your products for you, store them in their own warehouses, they buy them in bulk, and they'll link up directly with your Shopify account and fulfill all of your orders automatically for you. So that way you don't have to focus on product sourcing, logistics, or anything else. You only have to focus on marketing your store and making sales. And Fulfillment goes the extra mile for your business. They're able to guarantee 3 to 7 day shipping on most of their products, and they have a ton of additional services like custom branding. You can put your logo on your products, on your packaging, create custom thank you cards, or anything else you need to. But not only that, Fulfillment works directly with hundreds of different shipping carriers. That way they're able to guarantee their own private line of logistics. So because of that, all of your orders go out the door in 48 hours or less, and most of my products get delivered in just 7 days or less. In fact, I'll pull up some of my recent tracking numbers and show you exactly what I mean. I'm getting fast delivery to all the major markets right now. US, UK, Australia, Canada, it doesn't matter where I'm selling to. And getting started with Fulfillment is super simple. So obviously you're gonna go ahead and link up your shop directly with Fulfillment. They integrate with all the top platforms out there, whether you sell on Shopify, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, Etsy, TikTok Shop, or any other platform. Once your store is linked up and good to go, you're gonna go ahead and pay your initial fulfillment balance. This isn't a fee or a charge or anything else to use their service. You're simply just topping up your balance. That way they can go through and purchase all of your products in bulk. All of your orders will be deducted from this later on, so don't worry about this fee. Then you're just gonna go ahead and fill out a little more information about your store. That way your agent can best serve you. They wanna understand what your needs are, what market you're in, what kind of products you sell. That way they can really work with you to grow your brand. Because I forgot to mention that every new fulfillment account gets its own dedicated account agent. This is somebody that's completely dedicated to you and your brand. They'll talk to you daily and give you any updates you need to know about your store, your products, your sourcing, your inventory, anything else. And you can ask them questions or ask for help anytime you need it. This is just like having an extra partner to grow your business, and it's completely free. Because unlike other suppliers out there, there's no hidden fees to use Fulfillment. Once you validate a winning product and start making 100 sales per month, you can switch over to them at any time. That way you can get faster shipping and get your prices way lower than AliExpress. And if you guys have any questions, you can check out all of your FAQs down here. Like I mentioned, you guys should be doing at least 100 orders per month before you switch to Fulfillment. And that might seem like a lot when you're first getting started, but in reality, that's only like 3 or 4 orders per day. It's super easy to get there. And then as soon as you do, you can reach out to a high quality supplier like Fulfillment. But then they just give you more information about their services, their sourcing, fulfillment, and everything else you need to know. Just go through all of these if you have any questions or before you sign up for an account. But I will go ahead and leave a link for you guys down below in case you're interested. That'll take you to their homepage right here where you can select get a free quote. From there, you'll just fill in a little more information about your brand and the products you sell, and they'll get back to you with an accurate quote right away. And like I already mentioned, this is much cheaper than AliExpress. There's no hidden fees, no cost to use their services. You only pay for your orders one at a time as they come in. So be sure to check out Fulfillment if you want a high quality supplier for your brand in 2026. All right, the next best supplier that I want to talk about in this video is called TeemDrop. Now, TeemDrop is a fairly new supplier. I think they actually just launched in the last couple of years, but they're by far one of the most popular suppliers out there right now. Now, I've been trying them out with several of my own stores, and I'm really impressed with their service. Because I wouldn't be talking about any of these suppliers in this video if I didn't actually use them myself. These are all suppliers that I'm currently using on my own stores or have worked with at some point in the past. But I couldn't in good faith recommend you guys anything that I haven't actually used myself. So just like our last supplier, you're gonna go ahead and authorize your store. You'll link up whatever platform you're selling on, whether it be Shopify, WooCommerce, TikTok Shop, Etsy, or any other platform out there. You'll link them up directly to TeemDrop. You'll go ahead and source and list any products you need to on your store, and then everything will sync up automatically. So all of your orders as they come in will appear on TeemDrop, and they'll go ahead and fulfill everything automatically for you. Now, one of the main reasons I actually use TeemDrop on my own stores is because how fast their shipping actually is. As you guys can see right here, over 90% of their orders ship out within 24 hours, and they have an 8-day guarantee, meaning all of their orders are gonna arrive within 8 days or less, or they'll refund everything. And as you guys can see right here, over 93% of their US and Europe orders are delivered in under that 8 days. Not to mention, all of your customers will get accurate tracking numbers that update every single day. So this will keep your customers happy and reduce your customer support tickets down the line. Now, another big reason I work with TeemDrop is because there's no hidden costs whatsoever. Unlike other suppliers like Zendrop or AutoDS that charge you monthly just to use their service, TeemDrop is completely free to use. You guys get access to all of their tools and all of their features for no additional cost. So that way you only pay for your orders as they come in, because your supplier makes a little fee off of every order they fulfill for you, so they shouldn't be looking for additional ways to make money off of you. If your supplier is trying to make money off of you, they're not a good supplier. But when you first log into TeemDrop, you're taken to this page right here. You can source any product you need to right off of their TeemDrop catalog, and from what I've seen, they always have all the top dropshipping products out there. Because TeemDrop goes through and sources the products for thousands of different stores, they're able to see what's working in real time. So that way you can find any dropshipping product you need to on here. And if you don't find it on TeemDrop, you can find it on 1688 or Taobao, where you have access to as well. Or if you guys are actually into print on demand, TeemDrop has their own print on demand manufacturer. They're able to source hoodies, sweatshirts, t-shirts, accessories, home decor items, whatever you need them to. So in case you guys want to give TeemDrop a try, I'll go ahead and leave a link for them down below. But let's move on to our final supplier. All right, the final supplier we're going to talk about in this video is called Hypersku. And once again, this is one of the first suppliers that I ever switched to when I first got started with dropshipping. So once again, just like the other two suppliers we just talked about, Hypersku is going to assign you your own dedicated account manager. Once again, that's somebody that keeps you completely up to date with your business. They let you know everything you need to know each and every day about your business, when problems arise and everything else. And they're able to answer any questions or help you with any problems you might have. Now, Hypersku is another great supplier that's been around for a while. They actually have over 200,000 active users that have done over $70 million on their platform, and they do over 100,000 orders every single day. And of course, they link up with all the major platforms out there, whether you sell on Shopify, Etsy, TikTok, WooCommerce, or any of these other platforms. And these guys actually have warehouses in most major regions like the US, Asia, Europe, and everywhere else. So because of that, they can guarantee 5 to 12 day delivery on all of your products. And just like the other platforms, you're gonna go ahead and connect your Shopify store directly with Hypersku, source any products that you're already selling, link them up directly with the platform, everything will integrate naturally, and then they're gonna go ahead and handle sourcing and fulfillment automatically for you. And Hypersku is one of the biggest suppliers out there. They can manage up to 200,000 daily orders for any brand. And if you're watching this video, chances are you're not at 200,000 daily orders yet. I'm not even there myself. Now, to get started with Hypersku, they have two different plans: their free plan and their premium plan. I've only ever used their free plan on my own brands, so I can't really speak of their premium plan. This one actually says it's $0 a month, just like the free plan, so I'm not sure what the actual catch is. Definitely reach out to them, get a little more information on that, because that's a little bit confusing. But you guys can see all the different services that Hypersku can actually do for you. They're just another really good partner to have when you're ready to grow your brand. I didn't really have much to say about them today, but they are a really good supplier. So I'll go ahead and leave a link for them down below in case you guys are interested. But when you have options like these three suppliers we just went over, why would you ever use AliExpress? All right, those are the top 3 best AliExpress alternatives to use for your dropshipping business in 2026. I've used all of these suppliers at some point in the past, and I have nothing but good things to say about them. So I'll go ahead and leave a link for all of them down below in case you're interested. But if you found any value in this video, be sure to leave a like, share it with others, and subscribe for more. I also have a ton of extra resources linked down below to help you guys get started. Don't miss out on any of those. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.